my first interesting find for the night, I guess. I found a few little bits of lead and a copper ring, which I thought was going to be a big silver coin. It sounded really nice. It was like a 33 on the Equinox. And on the Equinox, as soon as you get like above 30, generally it's either copper or silver. This came in really funky and I've got no idea what it is. Thought it was a bell, but it's not a bell. I'm guessing it's army related. Maybe someone will know. Put it in the comments if you know. Anyways, let's keep going. Alrighty, we've got silver in the hole. I don't know if you can see it down there. It's going to be a sixpence. And it is a 1963, pretty much the last year that you'll ever possibly find. That came in as like a 17, 18, 19 on the Equinox. But really solid. So that fella's only 50% silver. Alrighty, this was literally right next to that sixpence. It is a cut halfpenny, just like the one we found in the other video. So yeah, I might find the other half, I might not. I didn't find the other half in the other video. But yeah, it means that we're in the right area and we should get onto some more silver. Alrighty, I've seen this in the bottom of the hole. This was a really nice signal. It's just there. I don't know if you can see it, I just saw it. There's the edge. See right there? It's going to be silver. Oh, it's a shilling. 1946. So this was the first year they went to 50% silver. But still a really nice find. Really good condition. It's exactly what you want to see. Beautiful. Look what I just picked up. Same hole as that sixpence. Oh, threepence I mean, and now this is a 1925 sixpence. That came in as a 35 on the Equinox, so I knew I had silver straight away. Look at the condition. Absolutely stunning. Put it on there so you can all see it. Now, unlike the other ones, because this one is before 1946, this one is sterling silver. So I much prefer finding these ones. You beauty. This was literally right next to that shilling. Really bad target. But it's a 1952 threepence. Quite a nice find. That came in as like a 16, 17 on the Equinox. Got to dig them all. I don't know if you can see it there. It's just poking its head out. It's Queen Elizabeth. So young head Queen Elizabeth. And it's going to be a sixpence. 1963. I don't know if you can see that there. I'll put some pictures up. That one's 50% silver. It's one of the newest ones you can find. So not really what I'm looking for, but it'll do. We'll take it. And out pops another silver. I'm on a hot streak. These are all right next to each other as well. That's a sterling one. See how it shines. 1943. So you got to remember, before 1946, good. After 1946, still good, but it's not sterling. That one's sterling though. Well, the same area again, pretty much the side of one of my other holes, and that's another threepence. Really worn though. You won't even get a date off of that yet, but it'll be 40s onwards. So I'm on to like a wartime spill, I think. Awesome. We are on to another coin, except this time it's not silver, unfortunately. Where's my little shovel? It's going to be a halfpenny. Yep. So it's going to have a kangaroo on it. I think it was 1948. Yep. Nice little bit of Australian history right there. Awesome. Right, here's a pretty awesome find. It's an old Australian one penny, 1913. See if I can. It's been difficult. Awesome condition on it though. Here's a pretty interesting find. It's an unfired bullet round right here in the park. It's amazing what you'll find, and it's only like 4 inches deep. Not sure what that's off of, but it's unfired and there's marks on the back, so probably a 303, but I can find out later. And we've got another bullet. Unfired again. Still has the gunpowder inside it. Pretty cool. Alrighty, we are on to another silver. I popped this out and I was confused as what it was, but then I see there's a shank on the back. That's an old flat button. This is right near where I found that 1918 badge the other night, so I'm guessing this is going to be like early 1920s, maybe even 1800s. So that's an awesome little relic. Like, you can't date it exactly, but they don't make them like that anymore, that's for sure. Definitely a silver. Oh, that's an old one too. That's real old. See if I can focus. Oh, look at that. It's going to be a love token probably. It's going to be British for sure. That's been had 2 holes put into it to make into a token, I think. Oh, it's real old. That is really old. You can see the head there. I don't actually know if that's 2 holes in it. I think they've attempted to put holes in it, but I haven't gone all the way through. But that is old head Victoria. So this is going to be like 1850s, 1860s if we're lucky. So I'll clean that up and I'll put some pictures at the end of the video. I just found these coins pretty much right next to each other, and they're 2 foreign coins. This one in particular, really interesting. Look at that. It's got guns on that side. That's awesome. Look at that. And this one's got a cow on it. I think this one's Indian. And this one's like aluminium. That's sick. Awesome. Now this is awesome. This is the type of finds that link that other badge that I found to America in that other video. Now it's very hard to see. Give it a bit of a rub. See Lincoln? It's an American wheat cent, which is pretty awesome. I can't get a date on that one yet, but that'll clean up really nice. But I'm guessing it's at least, it'll be 40s or before. And then you can kind of see the 1 cent on that side. Kind of. Sorry, it's really hard to film at night. But yeah, that's awesome. I love finding stuff like that. It's not meant to be here in Australia, but it is. Awesome.